Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Windows computer. First click on your Start menu. Next type Command Prompt or CMD. Run it as administrator. In here type net shw LAN show profiles. This command show all Wi-Fi networks your computer knows about. Hit the Enter key. Now you can see list of Wi-Fi networks your computer knows about. To get the password type, in here type net shw LAN show profiles and network name inside double quotes. I want to get password of this Wi-Fi network. Key equal clear. This will show us what the password is. Hit the Enter key. In here you can see the Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.